like that. Crocheting. You guys are crocheting. All right.
All right. Young Jimmy.
Yeah.
I'm going to show you how to crochet.
All right.
All right. You ready?
Yeah.
You got your yarn all balled up?
Yeah.
Sure?
Well,
That sounds sure then.
I'm just spiky. I think it's barbed wire. I brought barbed wire. Let's
Okay,
try.
work with my dad. Okay, so you're going to take the hook.
Okay.
You're going to look around it.
Pull it through.
This is a very loud process. I'm very sorry about that.
It's okay.
Go through and then you just keep going. And there you go.
Okay, what do I do with this hammer?
I don't know where you got this. Okay. Okay, no, give it here.
Oh.
I'm just gonna.
Definitely hit a dog. Here, I think it's time for a break.
Okay,
Don't
yeah,
you?
yeah.
Okay. Here, I brought some Nutri-Grain Valley bars now with only 98 calories.
You were very sharp on my dentures, young Jimmy.
You know what, Grandma? That's not my problem, all right? All right, that's enough.
All right. I know you're still alive out there. You're fine.
Tough dog.
Yeah, no. All right, so keep going. We're gonna show you how to make the hat now.
Okay.
How's the barbed wire treating your hand?
Oh, well, bloody, but that's
Fine,
okay.
you're fine. Just don't get it on my arm.
Okay,
I will have to kill you.
that's fine.
Keep going. Keep going. Make a loop. And you have a circle and a hat.
I don't think I did it right.
Here, put it on your head.
Oh! Oh, no, didn't do it right.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. We
It
should
looks
call.
handsome on you.
Oh, thank you, but we should call an ambulance.
You're right. I'll call an ambulance right now.
Okay.
Alright, I guess your suggestion is the fucking corner. So that's cool. Lots of noises there. So whenever you guys are ready, go ahead and take it away.
Ma, I don't want to get in the corner. I know I burnt Jenna's hand, but I mean, I just don't want to.
You get in the corner.
Mom, please.
No, you are not allowed to burn your siblings. Okay? Did you hear the sizzle of her hand thing?
Yeah, and it was fun.
Yeah, not for your sister. You gotta go to the corner. Alright. Well, you're in there.
How much time do I have to stay here?
5 minutes. Okay, you can get out.
It's too long, though, Mom.
Get out! Like, I'm tired of hearing you complain. Alright. Go watch cartoons or something. Oh, wait.
The cable is out, Mom.
I'm sorry, can I buy like a drum set or something?
It is. Yes. But here's the thing. I'm terrible at the drums. Like, just.
I'm gonna make dinner. I'm gonna get my get my hands out, and I'm gonna make some soup.
I want to eat soup.
I'm gonna vegetables.
Okay, well.
You need to
It's
practice.
like a symbol. I don't know what.
Kyle, you need to practice your drums.
I'm trying, Mom.
You're never gonna be in the next biggest band if you don't practice now.
No, maybe I just wanted inspiration for Big Time Rush, okay?
Well, you're not gonna be big time if you don't practice.
No?
Come on, rhythm.
I'll try the guitar then. Okay, here we go.
Wow.
I mean, I'm trying my best with my one string guitar. I know. Okay, here we go.
I'm gonna put this pin down.
Bring the plate again!
No! I may have started a grease fire.
No, put down.
Hello? Yeah, my house is starting on fire. My son will probably start on some fire soon. He's trying to put it out. I just think we need someone to come.
No.
Oh, you got a fire truck coming?
I got this the fire.
I'm here. Oh, he's coming. He's coming. Thank you. Let's get out.
But no, I have a fire dropset going on now.
Yes, this is me. This is also me. This is also me. And here's another me. And surprise, surprise, this is my son, Darren.
Okay. Well, let me just get my camera out.
All right. Well, I'm going to tell my kids to come in those seats and help us. Hey, guys, let's get those chairs. Come on.
My camera's a little
My chair seems to have a stomach or something. If I shake it a bit, I don't have any noises anymore.
I just need to
Check this out. No more noises from my chair. I don't know what's going on. Is my chair drowning in like slow motion?
No, I just had to oil my camera.
Oh, okay. Let me just put my chair down and see what happens. All right. I broke your chair's legs.
Not again.
All right. Let me try a different chair.
Okay, just. I need to set up the flash.
All right. If I move this slowly, it doesn't make any noises. Set it down gently. There we go. Why does all your stuff keep breaking?
I dropped the flash thing.
All right. We'll just stand. We'll just stand.
Okay.
Let me get this tarp put up. That was the most quiet tarp ever. All right. Do you want me to pose like this or something?
Let me take some sample pictures.
Okay. Oh, let me grab some stuff that might help out with our little family.
My button's stuck.
Oh, your button's stuck. All right, let me just grab. Let me go through this chest of just gadgets and gizmos and see what we got here. It's a very silent box of gadgets and gizmos. I mean,
Don't touch that one.
Okay.
This is what you want.
All right, that's fair. So let me try that again.
It doesn't work for you. Here.
Okay. All right, let me just grab something else, because we'll find something that works for me. All right, what's this big looking gear thing? All right, let's try putting this on the ground here. Oh, all right, well, that's expected, it's kind of heavy. Let's try rolling it a bit. I just got silent stuff, man.
Yeah, you do. Here,
Yeah.
let's just sit down. I'm gonna
sit down in the gear.
There you go. There you go. This did not work.
Every part on whatever I please, Rachel. Don't make me do it again. I have an ass that won't quit. I'll make it Hiroshima and Nagasaki in here. Keep this in.
I will not take your pictures if you keep recording.
Okay. Let me get a different item then, because this gear seems to like rise my bowels a bit. Why? Like, none of your stuff works with me, I swear.
Oh no. Picking up something.
You're picking up something? Let me get a look at it. Well, let's try poking with this.
This is the cat you're supposed to hold.
Oh, I get it. Hi, kitty. How you doing? You just pee on me?
That's what you get for farting on the chair.
That's fair.
Hey.
You're going down. I'm gonna win this office race for real.
See, my master plan says no.
See my chair like swivels?
No, it doesn't.
Is it done?
I have a hammer, and it may have broken. Like this.
Bang.
I'm gonna do it again!
No! Bang.
You're doing the chair now! See, mine's steel. You can't break steel with a hammer. Everyone knows this. Everyone.
You also can't move with steel.
Shoot!
Like, when you push it, it's not going anywhere.
Yeah, huh? See? Can't move.
Yeah, like 2 inches.
That's still farther than your chair. It's in pieces.
I can pick up my chair and walk with it.
That's cheating! Hammer time!
Bang.
There! What are you gonna do now? In absolute pieces. I'm gonna move my chair now.
Wow, Wow! So far! I'm just gonna fix mine up.
Yeah! Hear that? We're gonna put some turbos on this thing.
It doesn't look the best now.
Alright, we're gonna turn it on too. You wanna hear this puppy purr? You hear that? That's twin turbo right there.
Pretty cool, but is it gonna win?
Maybe. Absolutely it will, I promise. It's hammer time. We're gonna break her chair.
I just fixed it!
Too late!
Bang!
You know what? I've been kind of mean. I'll give you
Kinda.
my chair, and I'm just gonna use this hammer to win.
You need a chair to participate.
You don't know the power of this hammer.
Hey!
Bang!
How did you do that? How did you win? You didn't even have a chair.
It's hammer. Like, you can't beat hammer unless you have a steel chair.
You said this was steel.
Yeah, I
Did you
can't-
lie to me?
I can't break it. Watch.
Yes.
See? Take the weight off. You have a chair still.
I do, but I can barely bring it with me. See, it makes a really terrible noise and scratches up the floor.
I mean, I have more hammers if you want to use one.
We can make a competition out of hammers now.
Yes.
We don't even need chairs.
Heck with the chairs. All right. I want to count down. 3, 2, 1. Yeah.